Welcome back. Beyond academics, embracing emotional education. In the multifaceted realm of education, the emotional well-being of students is as crucial as their academic success. Teachers, who play a pivotal role in shaping young minds, are often the first line of defense in addressing the emotional needs of their students. This article delves into the significance of teachers acknowledging and nurturing the emotional health of students in schools, and the potential consequences of neglecting this vital aspect of education. The heart of education, emotional wellness. Education is not just about imparting knowledge, it's about fostering a well-rounded individual. Teachers, by virtue of their daily interactions with students, are uniquely positioned to influence their emotional development, an influence that extends far beyond the classroom. The importance of addressing emotional needs. Creating a supportive learning environment. When teachers are attentive to students' emotional needs, it creates a safe and supportive learning environment, encouraging students to engage more fully in their education. Early identification of emotional issues. Teachers can play a key role in identifying students who may be struggling with emotional issues and guide them towards the help they need. Developing emotional intelligence. Addressing emotional needs helps in cultivating emotional intelligence in students, equipping them with skills like empathy, self-awareness, and resilience. Enhancing academic performance. Students who feel emotionally supported are more likely to perform better academically, as they can focus better and feel more motivated. Building trust and relationships. By acknowledging and addressing emotional needs, teachers can build stronger, more trusting relationships with their students. Consequences of neglecting emotional needs. Neglecting the emotional needs of students can have far-reaching consequences. Increased anxiety and stress. Lack of emotional support can lead to heightened anxiety and stress, impacting both mental health and academic performance. Social withdrawal. Students may withdraw socially, impacting their ability to form healthy relationships. Behavioral problems. Unaddressed emotional issues can manifest as behavioral problems, further alienating the student. Impact on future well-being. Neglecting emotional health can have long-term effects on a student's overall well-being and future prospects. Conclusion. A call for emotional empathy in education. The role of teachers in addressing the emotional needs of students is indispensable. It's a responsibility that extends beyond the confines of traditional teaching, requiring empathy, patience, and a deep understanding of the diverse emotional landscapes of young individuals. Ignoring this aspect can lead to detrimental effects on a student's academic journey and personal development. As educators and guardians of future generations, it is incumbent upon us to foster an educational environment where emotional wellness is given as much priority as academic excellence. It's not just about creating successful students. It's about nurturing emotionally healthy individuals who are equipped to face life with confidence and resilience. For more insights into holistic education and the role of emotional well-being in schools, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement helps us spread awareness and support the cause of comprehensive education. Check out the description for more resources and discussions on this topic. Together, let's advocate for an education system that values emotional health as the cornerstone of learning and personal growth.